Hi Paul, thanks for coming to see the show.
Okay, pleasure.
It's great. The film's right on the timepiece at the moment.
Yes, it is.
I remember filming that just outside the front door, and that little bit of sunshine we had that day.
Yes, indeed.
I'm really pleased that I invited you to work with me for this piece, for the exhibition, because I think it's really enhanced the experience for everybody coming here. You know, having that sound, and it's done everything I hoped it would in the space, so it's great.
Good. I think it's worked out very well, actually. You know, I think at the beginning we were probably a bit unsure of where or what we wanted.
Yeah.
But actually, once we'd hit upon this idea of a ambient film, then it all the ideas kind of came together. And I think within this context particularly, it works really well. It's nice and subtle, and it colours it in a kind of the way that does enhance
with the sound, but it doesn't. What I love about it is it adds to the tranquility rather than, you know, sometimes sound can be quite dominant, can't it?
Yes, indeed.
I think that notion of circularity of time that we worked with, and you know, the passing of time. I think when you put the spoon outside, and, you know, and I was like, oh, I don't know if you know, I think all those ideas we had have actually come together really well. Yeah. And the rhythm that you brought to the piece that I wouldn't necessarily have done.
So all the sounds obviously are generated from us doing things with these spoons and with the bell jars, and with we were rolling those ball bearings down
through that other piece as well. Yeah.
So I think, you know, the sound itself fits in with the, you know, the theme of the show, but also this kind of idea of it kind of breathing, which like this bit, you know, it just really kind of, it works really well.
I think we both had faith in each other. You knew my work a little bit. You know, that I was going through this production and everything else, and you know, that opportunity to work together was great, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
I hope we get the chance to work together again sometime.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Thank you.